How to purchase COVID-19 screening tests.
Visit our website, airport.doctor2u.my. Enter your email address and phone number. You can also log in with your Facebook or Google account.
You will receive a transaction activation code through SMS when you log in using your phone number. Fill that in, then click Continue to access your account.
Fill in your flight details. Select the package.
Fill in your personal details and upload pre-boarding COVID-19 screening test results.
You will be shown a purchase summary. Choose your preferred payment option, then proceed with the payment. After your order has been successfully made, you will be able to download your voucher and receipt.
Thank you. Visit our website for more information.